Welcome to today's recipe on how to cook asparagus with potato casserole. Stay tuned and let's cook. Welcome back to today's recipe once again. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for watching. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. This recipe is one of the best asparagus with potato casserole you will see on YouTube. And to start with, go ahead, cook your potato, add enough water. Make sure you do not peel your potato before cooking. This is because we want to retain the little starch that comes with potato. When your potato is well cooked and soft, you want to go ahead and peel it and then slice some part of your potatoes, leaving two behind. That we will use as a thickener later on. And please avoid slicing your potatoes too thick. If you are making use of white and green asparagus, then you need to know how to cook your white asparagus first. On the screen is a well-detailed video on my channel on how to cook your white asparagus. Everything you need to bring in your water to get rid of the bitterness, it's on that video. I will also leave the link in the description box. And that's it for the white asparagus. Just check out the video, it is well-detailed one. Then cut as you wish to have it. For this recipe's sake, I will just cut in 3 parts, just cut in 3 sizes, just like this, 1, 2, and you are good to go. Then set that aside. Now for the green asparagus, this is one simple asparagus you want to cook. Very simple, no stress. So to do that, you still need to cut out the end part of your green asparagus, okay? Because the end part is somehow always woody. You would not enjoy it if you cook all that along. To do this, to know the part to cut off, just use your knife to run through just like this. If it does not cut that fast or immediately does not, you know what I mean, just know you still have to go deeper until you find the part to cut off. The same way as the white, I will cut the green asparagus, wash, and this is what we have. The 3 basic items for today's recipe, okay, is ready, then set aside. For a delicious casserole, you need a sauce to bind all that together. Now go in with small amount of butter. Go in with your sliced onion. It doesn't matter how you slice your onion in this part. So saute that until it is fragrant. Now go in with your milk. Yes, we are not going in with any heavy cream. It is gluten free, it is starch free, okay, this sauce, but you will have a perfect sauce at the end of it. Again, after bringing in your milk, I will leave all the items for this recipe in the description box. Please do not worry about any measurement, okay? Now press in your potatoes in your milk sauce. Use your potato masher, or you can as well slice your potato in the sauce, in your milk sauce in. Now it is time to season with some pressed garlic, small amount of salt. Go in with small amount of white pepper, season as you can take, okay? Some amount of seasoning powder. And lastly, I will go in with my nutmeg. I love the taste of nutmeg when it comes to most casserole. Lastly, you will go ahead and mix all that together. This is because we want to have a fine texture of sauce. Mix all that together with your mixer, and then you will go in with a handful, one and a half handful of shredded cheese. Now you want to stir all that together and see how perfect this looks. The consistency is just super good, delicious. You wouldn't believe there is no heavy cream in the sauce, no starch, no gluten, nothing. It's free from all, which is very healthy. Then you want to get your casserole dish. Go ahead and grill with some amount of butter first. Bring in some small amount of sauce and then go in with your potato. Just lay that everything in at this point. Potato, your cut asparagus, go in just like you are making lasagna. Okay, in this case, like you want to lay out your lasagna. So it is. So step by step, it is not exactly so. While I was bringing in my potato, I tried to use my hand to smash it a little bit because I don't want to have big chunk in there. Okay, I want everything to be well combined. So I will always press my potatoes with my hands, mash a little bit, and then the sauce. You can as well bring in cheese, shredded cheese in the middle of all these, and then step by step layout, and then your sauce, your asparagus, making sure you have some asparagus on top, okay, for the finishing look. This is the last interesting part, adding your cheese. I am going for mozzarella cheese to add on top, shredded mozzarella cheese. The first cheese I added on the sauce, in the sauce, was Emmental. You can go for Gouda. I don't know the cheese you have in your country, but everybody have mozzarella cheese. Now don't be selfish about it, so please go in with enough of cheese and bake at 160 degrees C for 35 to 40 minutes. If yours is getting too brown, cover with a paper foil, okay, aluminum foil, to prevent it from getting too brown. But I didn't cover mine. 160 degree for 35 minutes. It is perfect and look delicious. Now our asparagus with potato casserole is ready to be enjoyed. If your asparagus casserole is out of the oven, you want to at least wait 30 to an hour to let it rest. Okay, this is casserole for you. Let it rest to enable you cut it plainly without messing up everywhere. Okay, you wouldn't believe this casserole is fat, heavy cream free. It is gluten free. It is the best healthy casserole I've ever enjoyed. It is a perfect way to enjoy your asparagus, which is asparagus with potato is just the best combination, and this one will give you all in one. I hope you enjoy trying this recipe or enjoy eating this recipe when you try it out at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out more recipes on my channel. Subscribe for interesting ones that is coming ahead. It is spring, more recipes are coming. It's summer. There's a lot of recipes is coming ahead, so stay connected by subscribing. Hit the notification bell. You will be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much to my returning subscribers, and please leave your opinion down below. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.